slippery, guys, full of ice. It's a bit slippery, guys. It is slippery, ma'am. Slippery, guys. Yes. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It is so slippery, and the traffic is not bad. It's really slippery, guys, so y'all be careful if y'all driving. If not, stay at home as much as possible if you don't need to be out about. Thank you, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's all white. The road is dry, but on the side it still have ice, guys. So I'm heading to work. Bless my trip, Lord. Amen. I still have lots of ice, guys.
Now.
What? Here? Where? Here?
Yeah, just now on that corner.
What? Because you're in a rush.
I felt the foot.
The road was fine. We still have a few patches of ice down below, guys. It's still a little bit cold. Okay, guys, we still have lots of ice on the side of my house. So this is what it look like, and that's the front. And this weather is still not totally over. Still a little bit of ice here and there. This date is January 27, and checking in, heading to work. Part of life here in America, guys. Work home, no party. But it's cold. Checking in, the temperature is 21 degrees. And here's the mild traffic. It's just the mild traffic, guys. This morning, time check, 7:16, and it is 21 degrees. The road is clear. There's a few patches of ice alongside the sun. When there's no sunshine, it doesn't melt quick right there. So but the road is clear, guys. Road is clear. There's a patch of ice right here. Yep. I made it to work safety, guys. It was alright to drive. You just need to be slow. A few patches of ice on the side, but you don't need to drive on that patches of ice. So just be careful, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Is the road going towards Fredericksburg Road? 16 north. Still have a few patches of ice.